Today we're going to be looking at how to convert kilometers into meters and meters into kilometers. So as we can see here up at the top with our conversion, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters, or another way to think of it is that 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So in question number one, we're being asked to convert 5 kilometers into meters. And now we know from the conversion up above that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So if I have 5 kilometers, that means that I'm going to have 5 equal groups of 1,000 meters. So whenever I'm converting kilometers into meters, I can multiply the value of my kilometers by 1,000, and that's going to give me the value in meters. So 5 times 1,000 gives us 5,000. So 5 kilometers converts into 5,000 meters. So now looking at question number 2 here, we're being asked to convert 11 and 3/10 of a kilometer into meters. So we're going to go ahead and do the same process here of multiplying the value of the kilometers by 1,000, but it's going to be a bit more challenging here because we do have a number in the tenths place. We do go into decimals here. The good thing is that whenever we're multiplying something by 1,000, all that happens is the digits that we're multiplying by 1,000 shift 3 places to the left. So in order for us to accomplish this, what we can actually do, instead of going through and multiplying it by 1,000, we can move our decimal place 3 places to the right when we're multiplying a number by 1,000, because that's going to shift all of the digits 3 place values to the left. So we're going to go ahead and write 11 and 3/10 down below. And now what we're going to do is we're going to move our decimal place 3 places to the right when we multiply by 1,000. So we move it once, twice, and lastly 3 times, giving us a new decimal place here. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fill in these empty places with zeros. So that gives us a number of 11,300. So I'm now going to turn that former decimal into a comma. So 11 and 3/10 of a kilometer converts into 11,300 meters. So now looking at question number 3, now we're being asked to convert 3,000 meters into kilometers. So instead of converting kilometers into meters, we're now doing the opposite. So we know that each kilometer has 1,000 meters in it. So if I'm looking to figure out the number of kilometers in 3,000 meters, I need to figure out how many equal groups of 1,000 can I make. And we can do that by dividing this number by 1,000. So we're going to go ahead and divide 3,000 by 1,000. And we know that that's going to give us 3. So 3,000 meters converts into 3 kilometers. So now for question number 4, we're being asked to convert 7,800 meters into kilometers. And now for this one, we can actually go ahead and do the exact opposite of what we did for question number 2. Because you'll remember for question number 2, when we multiplied the number by 1,000, all we did was move the decimal place 3 places to the right, because that shifted all of the numbers 3 places to the left. So now when we're dividing a number by 1,000, we can go ahead and just do the exact opposite here. So we're going to be shifting the numbers that are being divided 3 places to the right, and we can accomplish this by moving our decimal place 3 places to the left. So we're going to go ahead and write 7,800 down below, and our decimal is going to be right at the end here. So next what we're going to do is we're going to move our decimal place 3 places to the left, because that's going to shift our numbers 3 places to the right. So we're going to shift it once, twice, and lastly 3 times. So we're going to turn this comma into a decimal place, and we're going to X out that decimal there. So that leaves us with 7 8/10, because we don't have to write the zeros here. So 7,800 meters converts into 7 8/10 of a kilometer. So I hope this video helped you to understand how to convert kilometers into meters and meters into kilometers. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. As always, enjoy today's math lesson.